Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome to my channel. In this channel, we'll be talking about all kinds of herbs, plants, the roots, the various parts of the plants, the roots, the stem, the seed, the flowers, the leaves. We'll be talking about the biochemical importance of all these beautiful existing herbs. We'll be looking at the phytochemical components, their quantitative and qualitative, constituents, and we'll be extraying their pharmacological effects in the body, ranging from, the antimicrobial activities and others. Please subscribe and stay tuned. This channel promises to be educative, insightful,